In this e-learning, various types of analytics will be discussed, including real-time, interactive, text, and exploratory analytics. This course will also provide a use case scenario that demonstrates how an organization leveraged the Federation Business Data Lake, FBDL, to drive better organizational decisions. At the end of this course, you will be able to describe the ingest capabilities of the FBDL, discuss the analytics capabilities of the FBDL, and describe how organizations can use the FBDL to make better data-driven decisions. The Federation Business Data Lake enables a full analytics lifecycle by bringing together data, analytics, and applications in a single ecosystem. Further, it enables faster time to value for big data analytics because it is a fully integrated end-to-end solution, and it provides an intelligent and customized self-service approach to data, analytics, and applications for each user. With the FBDL, it is possible to keep all historical data online. This data, in combination with real-time streaming, social, and business data, can be processed as a single collection of data. Further, the FBDL provides a complete platform to perform statistical analysis and machine learning techniques on massively large datasets. This provides the ability to predict the future and not simply report on the past. More and more IT organizations are being asked to develop, deploy, support, and scale a new class of applications that take advantage of the insights generated from big data. The FBDL provides an ecosystem that enables rapid application development from these insights. The foundation of the FBDL is the data repository. It's essentially a data store that's fed by different sources in the same way a lake is fed by several different rivers. In and of itself, a data lake, simply as a storage repository, has value. However, this value is significantly increased when software, analytics, and services are added to form a more comprehensive solution to help organizations address their big data challenges. Data ingestion and storage form the foundation of a data lake. The Federation Business Data Lake is not limited in how it can ingest data. It accommodates many modes of ingestion such as real-time streaming of social media data and batch loading of system logs. In general, data ingestion can be broken down into two major approaches, stream and batch. Stream and ingestion can be used for a variety of ingests, but it is commonly used for real-time analytics. Real-time analytics perform analytics on data as it is ingested into the data lake, often before it is even stored. In this given scenario, an in-memory database is used to process the data in real time. The results are surfaced immediately and stored along with the raw ingested data. Batch ingestion can include data such as system logs, transformed data from an enterprise data warehouse, video files, plus others. Batch loads can be scheduled to occur as frequently as required by the business process they support. We can think about ingestion in three general steps. First, you create an environment by provisioning and configuring compute, software, and storage. Next, you design and build a data pipeline. This entails identifying relevant sources of data, applying policies, and implementing the ingestion process. The last step is to operationalize the data pipeline. During this final step of the process, data is ingested and stored in the data lake. Data storage in the Federation Business Data Lake is supported by several storage platforms. A scale-out NAS storage platform that eliminates inefficient storage silos and integrates natively with HDFS. Isilon enables big data applications to share the same data through multi-protocol support that adapts elastically to changing I/O demands. Massive I/O performance from a 100% flash scale-out enterprise storage array. Extreme I/O is for customers who need to accelerate workflows by eliminating common bottlenecks around data movement and ingest offload times. A geoscale distributed object and HDFS-enabled platform for large-scale analytics at petabytes and beyond. The Federation Business Data Lake is engineered to manage and process all dimensions of big data. Some of these dimensions include volume, variety, and velocity. The volume dimension describes how much data there is. With big data, volumes can scale to the petabyte and even exabyte range. The variety dimension describes the different sources and types of data. Big data can include structured data from relational databases, unstructured data such as video and audio files, and semi-structured data such as XML. The velocity dimension describes how fast data is processed and analyzed. An example of low velocity would include batch analytics using Hadoop, whereas real-time analytics using in-memory databases is considered high velocity. Real-time analytics requires that data that has just entered the data lake be analyzed immediately, even before it is stored. This type of analytics is facilitated through streaming data ingestion and in-memory databases. Applications of real-time analytics can include monitoring web traffic to a specific web page or part of that page, and social media sentiment analysis for a product a business just released. Interactive analytics may involve SQL on Hadoop type queries. These queries can be run against structured or unstructured data where a processing lag is acceptable. An example can include data warehouse aggregation and summation type queries against very large data sets. Exploratory analytics sets out to understand the nature, size, and shape of the data. This type of analytics can involve the use of machine learning techniques, data visualizations, and text analytics. When a data scientist performs exploratory analytics, it is usually on data that is being seen for the first time. Batch analytics with Hadoop facilitates faster data exploration when working on large data sets. In this case study, we will explore how a national restaurant chain, O'Brien's American Grill, leverages the Federation Business Data Lake to stay competitive. O'Brien's caters to a young and progressive demographic that is constantly seeking new and exciting dining experiences. As such, O'Brien's embraces technology and social media to help them spot the next cool culinary trend. Social media such as Twitter and Yelp provide O'Brien's the ability to monitor, in real time, what foods people are eating and what they are saying about those foods. By spotting hot culinary trends before they become mainstream, O'Brien's is able to adopt and implement a data-driven menu philosophy that gives them an advantage over their competition. Let's take a look at how O'Brien stays competitive with the Federation Business Data Lake. Now that we understand some of their challenges, let's have a look at how O'Brien's uses the Federation Business Data Lake to ingest and store streaming social media data. Step 1. Identify the relevant data sources that provide a window into what's going on in culinary circles. Here we see that Twitter is part of the social media landscape mined by O'Brien's. Step 2. Develop a data pipeline to mine data from the source and ingest it in real time. O'Brien's uses the Twitter API and the Pivotal Spring platform to identify only those tweets relevant to their business. The Spring platform is an environment that provides functionality to develop modular software components as needed. Step 3. Store the raw Twitter data in the data lake for processing and analysis. Here we see that the Federation Business Data Lake leverages EMC Isilon storage for its flexibility and its ability to scale to petabytes of storage. O'Brien's is now armed with a lot of unstructured data in the form of raw Twitter tweets. The next step in the pipeline is to take the raw data, process it, and extract insights to help O'Brien support their data-driven menu design philosophy. Let's explore how this happens. Using batch analytics, raw data is processed to extract the relevant words and phrases from the tweets. For this, O'Brien's leverages Hadoop. After extraction, the data is analyzed using text analytics methods to perform sentiment analysis and spot trending items. The results of the analytics are then pushed into a NoSQL database where they become available for interactive reporting. NoSQL is used because of its high performance and ability to scale with O'Brien's interactive reporting needs. The Analytics Dashboard is the primary collaboration tool for O'Brien's management and decision makers. Here they have a comprehensive view of the key performance indicators as well as results from social media and text analytics. This single pane of glass view of their business enables O'Brien's to make data-driven decisions on how to adjust their menu both nationally and regionally. It should be noted that the dashboard presented in this use case isn't built into the Federation Business Data Lake solution. However, there are many ways to surface insights with the Federation Business Data Lake. O'Brien's homegrown dashboard is just one of them. The FBDL provides the flexibility to accommodate many access methods which include APIs, third-party tools such as Tableau, and open tools such as R. The O'Brien's use case demonstrates how the Federation Business Data Lake enables businesses to take full control of their data analytics lifecycle in a fully integrated end-to-end solution. At each step in the data pipeline, O'Brien's had both choice and full control on how raw data was collected and stored in the data lake. Moreover, O'Brien's had flexibility in choosing the right analytics as a function of the business need. And finally, because the Federation Business Data Lake allows open access to all data and analytics, O'Brien's was able to leverage their pre-existing analytics dashboard. By having data, analytics, and apps in a single ecosystem, O'Brien's is able to realize a faster time to value. In this video, you were introduced to some of the ingest and analytics capabilities of the Federation Business Data Lake. Specifically, you learned that the ingest and storage capabilities of the Federation Business Data Lake accommodates all the data. The Federation Business Data Lake can perform any type of analytics on the data, and the Federation Business Data Lake can help businesses stay competitive as demonstrated in the use case scenario.